I'll be showing you step by step how to create a custom image banner for your Shopify store. Let's first go into our Shopify store dashboard to see what we're working with. So on the left-hand side menu, I'm going to navigate to Online Store. It should open up the theme section automatically. Currently running the refresh theme. It also shouldn't matter what theme you're using, as it should all have an image banner block. Then you want to go to Customize. This is going to open up my theme settings. And I can see by default, I have a slideshow image banner here, and it's just the default image. And if we go to select image in the top right, or even explore free images, we can see pre-built images here that can be imported into our store. But what we're looking for is to add a custom banner here. We want to create something maybe with additional text or additional styles and formatting. And so I'll show you how to do this now. So you want to navigate to a tool called Canva. It's a completely free online tool. It's kind of similar to Photoshop, but it's very easy to use. And so once you create your free account, you'll be loaded to the dashboard here. And from there, you want to go to the top right-hand side and want to click on Create a Design. Now this lets us go and create a custom size image here. We're going to create a banner image size 1400 width by 600 tall. So I'm going to go to Custom Size here at the bottom. And for the width, I'll put 1400 and I'll leave the height at 600. And then I'll click on Create a Design. And then I can go and add the exact elements I'm looking for my custom image banner. In terms of design, there are pre-built templates. You can also add different elements and different text. I'm just going to stick for one of these templates to make this video a little faster. I'm just going to select this element here and this pre-built template, as it's going to be a camping store. So I'm just going to leave this like this for now. I'm just going to write camping store 75% off discount for Black Friday. I'm gonna keep this nice, short and sweet here, but I do now have a custom banner. And the way you're gonna export this is go to share in the top right, then click on download, and I'm gonna hit download again. So I'm gonna download this to my desktop here, and I'm gonna go back to my Shopify theme, and I'm gonna go back here, exit out of this, click on my banner again, and then go to select image. Then from there, I want to upload a new image. So I'm going to click add images. And then I'm going to click on the banner image I just downloaded. So we can see it's now processing. I can hit done. And now I can see my own custom image banner that has a text. And to note, I'll probably want to remove this here for the browse latest products. If I simply just go and remove all text and labels, it has now all disappeared for me, and I can see my custom image banner. If I go preview this on mobile as well, it looks nicely. In terms of the image size, you can go anywhere between 1200 and 2000 pixel width and 400 to 600 height. This might depend on your Shopify theme on how exactly you want this to look. But overall, I think that looks a lot better than what was previously there. But Canva is a really great tool, and it makes it super easy to create custom images. And so if you're looking for a further tutorial, I'll give you more of an overview here. And so on the left-hand side, under design, you have different templates. You can search for maybe fall, autumn. These are suggested ones here, and it's going to give you pre-built templates, which make it super easy to design. You have your elements of different graphics, shapes, stickers. You can add custom text. And if you want to drag anything over, you just simply drag it like so, and then you can customize what it says on here, and it makes it really easy to move it around the page and to add new elements. I wanted to take a moment to say that if you've generated any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store, where you can get your reports and analytics in just one click. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can understand your store's true profitability. There's a ton of different analytics and metrics to help you understand what's going on so you can make smarter business decisions. It also syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold options. You can get a 15-day free trial where you can test drive everything for yourself. You can find it on the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below. So make sure you check it out so you can truly understand your store's financial performance. But in a nutshell, that's how we're going to create custom image banners for our Shopify store. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.